Today I'm going to be reviewing FORTHiQ's TENS unit massager heater. I'd first like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it actually looks like. This is the unit here. Powers on through there. Comes with a remote. They do suggest charging it all the way before you get it. The way it works, put it on your neck. These pads have the heat and the electrical charge will come through here. Now they do say to use a conductive gel back there, which you don't get with the unit. If you just put it on there directly, some people will feel a shock. Others will feel tingling. That's how TENS unit works, and it can work really well, especially if you have neck pain. I've used TENS units on my back, I've used it on my wrists, my arms, and they work really well. Now with this, when I put it on directly without any conductive gel, I felt a little bit of a shock, not like terrible or anything. Now it's not like a kneading massage or anything like that, but you can just adjust the heat, how much you want the electric pulse to be on your neck. As far as the reviews on this, it's kind of hit or miss. It's 3.7 stars. I like to see 4.4, so we know there might be a little bit of an issue here. I don't know if it's user error or product. 600 plus of these were bought last month. I'm not seeing a lot of people return them, so that confuses me a little bit. In the end, what I'd say is if you've used a TENS unit, this is probably worth trying. You're probably going to understand how it works. If you're new to it, maybe do a little bit of research, and when you get it, don't give up on it so easily. It will really help with your pain if it is done right. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.